Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, January the 17th, 2023. We have here a regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional. Yes, with 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with a 4 stars, and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me and it's time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright. Oh, what's the news of today? Well, let me show you. The news of today. Come on. Well, it's not shocking news, but well, one of the actress, yeah. Wait, here. Come on, I saw the. Here, I believe here. Yeah, this one. Well, what's the news? She passed away. Yeah. Gina Lollobrigida passed away. I think she's 93 years old. Yeah, 93 years old. Next to Marilyn Monroe, she was one of the beautiful actresses in old days. Yeah. Italian. She's Italian. Yeah. Okay. Enough with the daily news. Let me start with the Sudoku Medium. Sudoku Medium, this will be a number 5804. Okay, 5804. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, Sudoku Medium has always, I've noticed, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. By the way, 26 printed digits, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. Okay, we have here 2 1s, we have here 3 2s, we have here 2 3s, 4 4s. Oh, wait, 4 4s. We have here 4 5s. All right. We have here 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 4s and the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 5 or with the 4? Well, with the 5, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. You see another 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in that column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so no row between. The second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the column next, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 5. I need more information, insufficient information, okay? Let me see. How about these? Wait. The 7. Yeah, 7 in this row. Third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. 1, 2. Wait. We have 4 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Overlook the 2s. Well, 4, 5, 2. Okay. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this first row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2, okay. 2. Well, cannot continue with the 2 now. But the 4 again. 4. Okay. How about the number? 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Okay, now I can continue with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5 in the third column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Can I continue with the 8? No. Alright. About the 4. Yeah. 4. And the 2 then. The 2. 2. No. Let me see. 8. I'm thinking. Yeah. 4, 5, 8, 2. No. 5, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. One box left in this column. Third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here, so 3 and a 6. And I need a 1 here. Well, we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the first column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 6, 6, 6. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row be above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright, still I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 4 then? Nope. Interesting. 3, no. 3, no. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. 9 and 2, 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. 9, no. Then, yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Still cannot continue with the 4. Well. Yeah. We have 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1. The 2 is missing. 2. Okay. 2. Two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the row above, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 1, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Two missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the last row for number: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. Yeah, we have a 7 and 9. Overlook this. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Okay, we have 2 numbers, not 1 number. So 1 number left in this column. Last column for number 7. 1 and the 9 we have. So here should be also 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in this column for number: the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, told you, need 15 to 20 minutes for a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening. Yeah, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.